Hello my friends, I am in jungle. It is a beautiful jungle. So I am trying to go into the jungle. You can see this is a beautiful jungle, and people come here and collect wood, and then they sell wood in the market to earn money. But it is a very much dangerous jungle. There are many wild animals who can attack on me, but I am trying to go down to jungle area. So my dear friends, this is a jungle, and it is a beautiful jungle. You can see, and you can see that I think there are also snakes, and there are also other many bad animals. Yes, I am saying bad animals because the animals attract on people. So I am Milan and special recording for all of you. So you can see there is very much difficult to walk into the jungle area because it's a deep area of not very much deep area, but I am trying to find to go inside the jungle area. You can see this beautiful tree, and this beautiful tree is growing. This, I think this age is very much long. This is a very beautiful scene of this jungle. So you can see the jungle is very much high. You can see the voice of little animals. So I am trying to go inside area of jungle. So my purpose is to yeah, there is a but what I am very much not, I am not brave person to. So yeah, you, if you see like here you, this area is walking area. I think I can walk here very easily, and there is not, oh yeah, there I have no idea before going that I am going to jungle. But yes, it is a jungle forest. Yeah. Oh, yeah, my friends, hope you all will enjoy it. If you visit, then I will show you this. Wow, this is a very, you see, this is a very much deep area of this jungle. So yeah, I am trying where I am going. I am going to find a lion. Yes, there is also lion. What lion no go love to stay on mountain area. So that is a very much deep area. Oh, okay. Yes. So my dear friend, I go out from jungle. It is not very much safe, I think, because I have no any weapons to save myself. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. I am going out. Yeah, this is a out area. This is. Oh, yeah. Take care. Thank you. This is a jungle area. I went, but it is very much dangerous. It is not very much peace place because there are many. You can see. Oh, that is amazing. But I will come again here with weapons, with protective tool. Then I will go, and I think I also need a company. So without company, if you're going to in forest, that is not good for your life. Your life is first, and your safety is first. Without safety, never go inside of you, because I have no protective shoes this time. Look at my shoes. My shoes are not protected. So there are many insects, animals, snakes, and other like snakes. So in jungle there are many dangerous plants that affect your body, skin, and create allergy in your body. So infection also So if you touch any plants without knowing property of the plant, then it is a great chances that you get harm and your skin get disease. So always when you go inside the jungle, then you have also knowledge about the plants, that which plant is good for your health and you can touch, and which one is that is not good for your health, so body. So safety is first requirement in any journey in traveling. So if you got any thing bad in jungle, then there is no one that who help you, and you have no any contact, because I know in some area of jungle you have not very much network, and network signal we did not get. So hope I will share with you more videos with jungle videos. Thank you very much, my all friends. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Enjoy your life. Bye bye, and stay happy and stay safe. My every video purpose is to create more entertainment and attract you and your sport, and your sport is my strength. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, and I will come back soon with another video. And if you are enjoying my blog and videos, then please try to write comments under my post. It will be your greatness and kindness to me. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. Oh boy.